So today I'll be presenting about the game I made in Python 1. My name is Eason and I teach this Photon. So this is my game. It is a survival game, zombie game, and you can fight bandits and other things I'll show about later in this presentation. It is also very cool how I have a random events happening. So this project was inspired by a survival game called DayZ. It's on PC. What did I learn and use? My project used if statements and for loops. Number one is if statements. As you can see in my code, it says if statements if this happens, and I can input stuff like this. You have 5 seconds to shoot the bandit, or else you basically get killed by the bandit. I also have for loops. My game entirely uses for loops. It depends on it, and if for see if print like day, food remaining, water, health, it all depends on for loops. And this is a live video of my game in action. And as you can see, you can choose and then yes or no and other things. My favorite part of this project was the if statements. The if statement was like if you can put anything, or it could just be like if this happened, like if you choose this action, this will happen next. And most of the events are random. And if I was to work on this project even more, I would add more weathers, more weapons, types of zombies, cars, and of course fixing bugs. And thank you.